Good afternoon, everybody. This is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. These were all past key list winners. And this is a phrase that I use frequently. Clean and simple basis. That's what we look for. And these are, again, every one of these stocks that I'm showing you was on the key list. All right? Every one of them. So let's go through and look at these. First stock on the list was Acacia. See the clean and simple base breakout right there? It's vanilla. This is the 200-day, the 50-day, the 21 exponential, and the 8-period exponential. Clean and simple base entry, volume surge through the pivot, and the march. Simple. Entry, here's the price axis over here. We'll say you get in it for $45 a share, it moves up to 110 or so. We're not going to sell it at the top, but that is a huge run. That's more than a double. These were the numbers that we were looking at. That's number one. Let's go into some more. Here we go. Amazon. This is from 1/2022. Higher low setup. Right here. It's from March. You see this? March. Higher low setup. This low is higher than this low. This is one of our setups. We love clean and simple base entries, and we love cups and handles, of course. We love the higher low setup. Buys in here, more buys, and it marches. Right in here. You're buying for $3,000 and moves up to near $3,400, over $3,400. There you go. And then sells into strength. That's all. Vanilla. That's a more elaborate setup than clean and simple, but it's a higher low setup that we've used for years, and it works. Pinduoduo. Clean and simple base breakout. Right there. You can see it on the chart. Volume's coming into it. This was in a top group, and sales were up 63% when we bought it. Entry right here about 100. This stock ran up to 200. Simple. Vanilla. Clean and simple base a fifth grader could see. Square. Clean and simple base entry right there. You can see it. By the way, this was on the max list at that point in time. Sales were up, you can see the note. Sales were up 45% before the breakout. Focus on stocks, key on stocks that have earnings up 40% or higher, or average sales up 40 to 45% or higher for 2 quarters, with a composite rating of over 90, near 52-week highs. You will dramatically improve your investing results. Right here. Why am I wired so tight about this? I was the sole supporter of a family of 6 living off investing profits. I had to make money. That's just the cold hard facts. And I didn't have any wealthy relatives, so I had to make it go. Here we go. Next one. Neo. 3 buys. Clean and simple base breakout. Right there. Volume surge. Clean and simple base breakout. Buy more. Clean and simple base breakout. Volume surge. Buy more. Key point. Revenue's up 140% at the first buy point. Buys right here, we'll call it $18. 18, 22, 30. This thing runs all the way up to the mid-60s. Do the math. That works. Clean and simple base breakouts. I say it a lot. These are things I wish somebody had shared with me and said, Pat, do this and forget everything else. There's another example. Beyond Meat. The other phrase, or the other tactic we really like, is the higher low setup. This low is higher than this low. By the way, we owned every one of these. This is not a case of, oh, you just handpicked. No, we owned all these. Buys. Sales were up 215%. People called it a fad. Beyond Meat, right there. Higher low setup, volume coming into it, and look at the march up to 21-day. First entry, we'll call it $80, okay? 80 up to over 200. There we go. And note the trend. That's what we like. Last sale right there on volume pickup. Right here. Took the money and ran. Here, and then the last sale right there, losing the 50-day. Sales here, sales there. There we go. Rules, tactics, discipline to get in. Rules, tactics, discipline to get out. Octa, right there. Pushing through here. Look at the volume pickup. Look at the clean and simple base entry and note the trend. Note the trend up the 21-day and the 8 EMA. Clean and simple base. Another one. CyberArk. Clean and simple base. Right there. Earnings up 92%. Right there. And that's a run. Vanilla. Look at the walk up the 21-day. Another one. What do we have here? AMD. Right here. December. Look at the base. Look at the volume pickup. Buys right there. See that volume? Running through here. It was in a leading group at the time. and it's a good march. It's simple. Why is this so important that we focus on clean and simple bases? It increases the potential that other people see it too, which increases the potential that they will buy also. Isn't that what we want? Yeah, of course. Datadog breakout right there. Look at that volume. Isn't that sweet? Clean and simple, pushing through these tops right here. And it runs up, sells into strength, and took the money and ran. DraftKings right here, simple base, and a nice trend. Clean and simple, over and over. In mode, buy right here, look at the run. By the way, average price $27.31, earnings up 109%, sales up 55% before we bought. This is from 2019. And look at the move. From here to here, that's close to a double. Match group, right there. See this? Right in here. Buys. Well, say you buy it for $20, $21 a share. That's more than a double, folks. And note the trend up the 21-day moving average line. That's beautiful. By the way, that's the 21-day exponential. Datadog again, right here, and sells. I don't want to do recaps here. Pinduoduo. Intro right there. I think we might have looped on some of this. THC, no, this is a new one. Clean and simple base breakout. Look at the volume. Everybody saw it, and we bought. It works. Note the clean and simple base. GSX, buy right there. Earnings up revenues up 441% when we bought it. Look at the volume pickup right there. You buy it, I don't know, you bought $18 to $19 a share, and it runs up near 40. Now it didn't sell up at the top, but right there was 100% run. Note the trend up the 8 EMA. Every stock that I'm showing you was on the key list. There's GSX again. There's another view of GSX. Anyway, I wanted to point this out to you just to help you what to look for. Over and over, it works. It works. Advanced Micro Devices, right here, run. Look at the earnings growth before we bought it. Up 300%, up 200%, up 125%. And it runs. Anyway, I just wanted to go through these, not to brag, no, to show us, to train our eyes and mind on what to look for. If everybody sees it because it's a clean and simple base, it increases the potential that they will buy also. But I also want to point something out. Focus on stocks and leading groups. Focus on stocks that have either great earnings over 40% or higher and or sales over 40% or higher, preferably for 2 quarters average. Focus on stocks with a composite rating of 90 or higher. If you use those constraints, you will dramatically improve your investing results.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.